Hey, what's up folks? Jeremy Vinny here, and today we're delving into the world of Tesla accessories with the DesertWest Tesla Model Y, Model 3 Windshield Sunshade. As Tesla owners, we all know how crucial it is to keep our cars cool under the scorching sun. This accessory claims to block UV rays and heat, but does it deliver on its promises? Join me as we take a closer look at this sunshade and find out if it's worth your investment. Alright, let's dive into the unboxing experience of the DesertWest Tesla Model Y Model 3 Windshield Sunshade. Upon opening the package, you're greeted with a neatly packaged sunshade and a storage bag. The bag itself is a nice touch, providing a dedicated space to store the sunshade when not in use. Taking out the sunshade, you can immediately feel the quality of the materials used. The reflective material has a premium look and feel to it, and the stitching is well done. It's clear that DesertWest has put effort into ensuring a durable and long-lasting product. DesertWest deserves credit for their thoughtful design approach. The sunshade is custom fit for the Tesla Model Y and Model 3, ensuring a snug fit without any significant annoying gaps. It's constructed with a sturdy, reflective material that's effective at blocking out a good majority of sunlight. Installing the DesertWest sunshade is a straightforward process. Its folding design allows for quick setup, and it does a pretty good job at conforming to the windshield shape. Now let's talk performance. The DesertWest sunshade does a decent job at reducing the heat buildup inside of your Tesla. It noticeably blocks the sun's rays, resulting in a cooler interior compared to leaving your car exposed. However, it's important to note that on extremely hot days, some residual heat may still seep through. While the sunshade provides relief, it might not deliver the complete protection you'd expect during scorching summer afternoons. In terms of UV protection, the DesertWest sunshade does a commendable job. It effectively shields your Tesla's interior from harmful UV rays, safeguarding your upholstery against fading and damage. The reflective material works well to redirect the sunlight away from the car's surfaces. In conclusion, after spending some time with the DesertWest Tesla Model Y Model 3 Windshield Sunshade, I can confidently say that it's a good accessory, but it does fall short of perfection. The custom fit and durable construction make it a solid investment. So if you're in the market for a sunshade that offers decent performance and protects your Tesla's interior, the DesertWest sunshade is worth considering. Just keep in mind that extreme heat may still pose a challenge. But anyway, stay cool out there and happy adventures. Thanks for watching, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us on this electrifying journey. This is Jeremy Vinny signing off. We'll see you on the next one.